Good morning, it's a new day. So my eyes are still a little bit swollen, but I feel like they're actually getting a little bit better. And I did not end up taking the Benadryl last night, although I went to Walmart to get it and I literally left it by my nightstand because I wasn't sure if I was going to like not be able to sleep because the itching was so bad. But they actually say to not remove the eyelash extensions if you are having an allergic reaction, because it could actually make it worse. So they said just power through it. So that's what I'm doing. But I have a fun thing planned for today. Well, it's probably really boring to most people unless you're into this, but I'm excited about it. We went to Home Depot last night and we bought a bunch of gardening stuff, and I really want to plant like a love garden because we tried to do a love garden last time. And by a love garden, I just mean like a garden of fruits and vegetables and stuff. And I tried to do that at my last apartment, but it didn't get any sun on the patio, so everything died, and it was like I forget what I called it, like a death garden or something. So now we're gonna try to take two on the love garden. So I'm gonna take you in the backyard and we're going to get this garden going. Our house is just always gonna be super messy until we're done remodeling, so just so you guys know. We need to get new screens also. I don't know if you could tell how dirty these screens are. But I love our backyard. It's like our little sanctuary. It's so beautiful. And if you come out here and you listen closely. Do you guys hear that? So I don't know if you'll be able to know. Oh yeah, come on out with us. Will you grab my coffee actually, please? Thanks, baby. But our neighbors on both sides have waterfalls in their backyard, and so if my eyes look funny, you guys know it's just because they're swollen. So don't freak out. Thank you so much. You think you look bad? Are you gonna start telling people you picked up a homeless man on the side of the road? I told Shannon, I said if I were just to lay down at a park somewhere, I'd probably wake up and there'd be like dollars that would be like thrown around, maybe a Snickers bar, like a bottle of water. So I'd be like, are you okay? Like, I need to shave. Honey, you look handsome. You do not look homeless at all. You look like a little mountain man. I haven't shaved my face, I haven't cut my hair. True hippie. Yeah. So living. Oh, I'm excited to put the stakes up actually. Let's do that first before we do everything else. Okay, so really quickly I was gonna tell you there's waterfalls on both sides of, oh, I love it. Yeah, we can hear it every time we come out. And we're gonna do one in our backyard too, but both our neighbors have waterfalls and we can hear them like when we come outside. So it literally feels like a tranquil paradise back here, and I'm obsessed and I love it. The waterfall sound brings me joy. It brings you joy. It brings me joy. We have our hummingbird feeders and we put just straight sugar water, and you don't want to put red food coloring because it's actually not good for them. Like the red on the hummingbird thing on the actual feeder is enough to like draw their attention. So we just put, we boiled it, but they're not coming. I think they need more. We need to put more up. There's 3 of them out, and the previous owners had them here. So I feel like that's where they're used to them being. But I feel like when they were there, they were like coming in strong, like really fast. And I was like, it's kind of like dangerous because we come out here a lot. So we're gonna put them more in the trees, like their natural habitat. Oh look, there's a hummingbird right there. Oh, see, I think he's confused. No, how is he confused? By all the branches, it's hard to get to him. No, it's not. Can you guys see? Hold on, let me try to show you. Wait, hold on. Let's see if he goes. I think that he's having a hard time getting, I think that they're having a hard time getting to the actual feeder. How are they having, he's literally sitting on a branch, honey. But why is he not feeding from it? I don't know. Maybe he's like checking it out, like skeptical of it. I don't know if you guys can see the hummingbird. Do you see him? He's right there. It's hard to see in this light, but you hear Bandit out there. Yeah, Bandit's like, I want to get it, Mom. I feel bad because I don't know why they're not eating. It's non-GMO sugar and water. Well, maybe they like the GMO. No, nobody likes the GMOs. All right, well, let's let him be. Maybe he's shy. I used to be shy to eat in front of people when I was little. Oh, so nice out right now.
So bad because I want them to eat their little food.
Bandit.
Bandit wants to come out so bad.
You can't see him with these screens.
Yeah, but any new cats, like if you're gonna let them outside at all, you don't want them to go outside for like a month or something, just so they start to establish where they're at. So
what we're gonna do is we have these little stakes here, and we got some zip ties, and we need to, because we have this amazing pomegranate tree, and I'm so excited once these things start cracking and are ripe for us to start juicing and eating and stuff. But they're so heavy, the branches are so heavy that they like fall to the ground, and I don't want the branches to break. So we bought some stakes and we're gonna stake them up so that, you know, the pomegranates are off the ground, and also so that the branches don't break. But we need to be careful because there are actually like thorns, I read, on some of these branches. Yeah, I don't see a lot of them.
What's
but
crazy is
I do actually. I see one right there. There's not very many of them.
I'm surprised that like.
But yeah, be careful. Look, see that? See those little thorns?
Whatever.
There's some thorns. Just be careful with your hands. We'll put gloves on when we do it.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm surprised that like animals aren't trying to eat.
Well, they're not ripe yet. They're not ready. But I'm really excited for when they are. I'm so excited about my fruit tree, you guys. Look how many pomegranates are on here.
Oh, look at this guy.
Where? What is that?
That's like a big, look at him pollinating.
Ooh, careful, honey. I don't want that thing to kill you.
No, honey.
That looks like a killer bee.
No, look at him. Look at how he...
Yeah, that literally looks like I've never seen a bee like that before, and I'm kind of scared of it.
I don't know, I don't remember the name of it, but look at him. He's getting all the juice out of it. Look at him.
I see him, honey.
Wow, he's hungry. Look at him go.
Well, I'm glad he's pollinating, but I'm also a little worried for the bee.
Why?
Because I've never seen one like that, and I don't know if it's like deadly or poisonous.
No, it's not honey. Those are cool bees.
Please don't get too close to it.
What the name is, though. Look at him go. Wow.
Alright, well that plant's being pollinated.
Isn't his stomach full already? Doesn't he need to like go back and... Wow, look, he just...
No, just stay away because I got a good thing for filming.
He sticks his whole head in there.
Yeah, that thing's crazy. I've never seen a bee like that before. I just don't know much about it, and so I get like nervous. But anyway, for the pomegranates, yeah, that has a ton of bees. You guys, actually, I'm going to show you. When you get close to this tree, you could literally hear them swarming.
So like, can you see them all?
It's hard to see in the camera, but there's so many bees in here, you guys. So we're gonna start our little love garden.
Where's the love garden going?
Well, with the seeds, we have to start them indoors. So I got this little seed starter, like the Jiffy greenhouse. Little Jiffy greenhouse thing. So we'll start the seeds and we'll bring them inside the house. We need to put a little bit of this.
Oh, you show what you got there.
Yeah, the Dr. Earth organic citrus fruit. We need to fertilize the orange tree, the lemon tree, and the pomegranate tree, and the fig tree. And then we will start our little seedlings in the little pods, and then put the pomegranates on their little stakes. You guys, we just found our first pomegranate that's ready. It's split, and so it's ready to eat. It should be really sweet.
That's when they're ready to go, once it's split, right?
Yeah. Oh, how exciting. I'm so excited.
They look so juicy. So you just eat the seeds, right? And that's it.
Well, you could eat the seeds, you could juice them.
Well, no, I'm just saying you don't eat this other flesh.
No, but here, I'll take it, and then I'll show you guys when we open it up what it looks like. But how exciting is that? How good that looks. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So we started staking them up as you could see. So now we could see them better and find pomegranates that are actually ready. So I'm super excited. Does anybody else get this freaking excited about a pomegranate? Okay, so now you can see Trav put the little stakes in, and we were able to get the branches off of the ground, and hopefully the branches won't break. and it just looks a lot better now. So exciting. See this one over here. You excited about it?
Yeah, it looks good. I think I mean, this thing is very fruitful.
Yeah. Okay, so we have some of our little, I think they call those money trees, I'm not really sure. And then we have a little basil plant that we bought last night, and I cut a little piece off and I put it in water like this because I saw somewhere that you can do that and it will like grow again. So let me know if I'm doing it right or not. Because I was trying to do that. I think that would be fun. And then I'm gonna get ready to open this up, and I thought we could open it up together. I did watch this guy on YouTube because of course that's where I get all of my schooling from. And he went in with this like really sharp knife, which I do not have. But he, oh shit, kind of did something like this. I think I'm doing it right because look, it's actually a lot of focus, but. And then you can, oh my god, it's like so ready. Look at this. I want to make sure it's in focus. Oh my god, how beautiful. Are you kidding? Oh my god, I wish my friend Chantal was here. She really likes pomegranates and she'd probably love to try this. When I get more pomegranates, I'm gonna give some to her, but let's try. Actually, I think I feel like I should wait for Trav. These also, I heard, stain really bad, so you gotta be careful. But it's like it's focusing on my, come on camera, focus on the good stuff. Look at that. Our very own pomegranate from our backyard. Oh, I'm so excited. Hurry up, Trav, so I could try this. It always takes forever.
Trigger warning, if you have misophonia or it really bothers you to hear people eat, fast forward about 30 seconds.
Okay, you guys, we're gonna try our first pomegranate from our tree. Here you go.
Farm to face. So you can just put it in my mouth?
No, it's okay. Ready?
Mmm.
Do you eat the seeds?
Huh?
You're gonna swallow the seeds, right? Wow,
Yeah.
that's
No,
really
you just
good.
chew it and eat the whole thing. That's really sweet.
So sweet and yummy.
There's like a little, like a little sour bitter, but that's like what pomegranates are like.
I really like these actually. I don't know if I like pomegranates or not. I don't remember having them.
Mmm.
They're really good.
They're really good. They're really sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Oh, good.
So if you guys watched the vlog from, I think yesterday or the day before this, you guys saw how dirty this whole area was. And this was basically an intake vent, and they never had a filter right here. So this whole area down here, like you could not even see the plastic. It was so bad. And I was able to get all the way down there and clean this whole thing out. I'm gonna be smart about this, and unlike the owners before, we're gonna put a filter on this side. Now this vent won't get completely disgusting again.
Guys, look how many seeds we got out of just one pomegranate. That's so many. I'm so happy, and they're so good. Yum.
Go check out the dryer vent.
Oh my god.
So you have to explain, I just pulled the, oh, do you have a light?
No, I don't have a light.
So I just pulled the dryer vent, and that's what it looks like.
Someone thought that the previous owners left these washers and dryers for us, but we actually bought them from the owners.
Alright, so what do we got in here? Oh.
Holy crap.
Wow.
Is that normal?
Yeah.
Is that normal?
No, honey, it shouldn't be that much stuff. At least not right in there.
Yuck.
Yeah. So I feel like, you know, with like the older house and stuff that we bought like in LA, or that I bought in LA, it was like an older house, and like you buy it and then you own it and it starts like become yours. I feel like almost like a parenting, like a fatherly, motherly thing. So when I'm cleaning this stuff out, I'm cleaning like the other vent out, it's kind of like I feel bad like for the house, where because it's like a good house and everything. It's just, I feel like so bad that somebody didn't take care of it. And I'm like, okay, like we're gonna make you all new. It's like a makeover, like a all over facial, not like that kind of facial, but yeah, just I don't know, like a whole like renovation thing, and I don't know, making it like nice and new and clean and stuff. Like I don't know. It's like
I liked when you said like you feel sad for it, so you want to like you're like I'm so sorry that like
yeah,
you were left like this.
I feel like personal, like the house is like has like feelings. You know what I mean? That you know, that it's like wants to be like a nice house and like be clean and look good and stuff. And it's just like, all right, like, hey, you know what? We all get a little older and we just need a little help here and there. And that's like how I feel. So when I see stuff like this, I'm kind of like, oh my gosh, like I'm so sorry, like you've been neglected for so long. Like personal to me.